So wait for a minute. Yes. So the recording is in progress, and so let us start. So let me first of you tell what is actually the objective of today's class. What will we learn actually? So I hope that you have got the book that is written by our team. Have you got the book that is written by your team? Everyone please tell in the chat. Have you got the book? Only of number theory part, not the whole book. Yeah, so you have got the book. So from there everything is explained in a lucid manner. Examples are not given. Examples because in number theory camp we are teaching number theory already. From algebra, combinatorics, inequalities we will give the examples. So many of you told that to give the examples. So from that part, Chinese remainder theorem, prime coefficient theorem and other theorems are there. That I will not teach because that is very much explanatory in that part. And for Chinese remainder theorem I have posted a video link there also. So I will teach some advanced theorems, and since this is the second last class, so I don't think I will be even uh, prepared to finish only a topic like periodic evaluation. So today our main motive to do this class is to learn actually different type of functions and periodic evaluation. So many of you heard about the periodic evaluation. So let me share my screen from the book only and see, I will show you. So let us move to periodic evaluation. So before that I want to teach you something called the order of an element. Called the order of an element. So is everyone ready to learn the order of an element? Is everyone ready to learn the order of an element? Please write in the chat yes or no. Okay, so to all the students we will see this video in YouTube, so listen to my words very carefully. See, you know Euler's theorem, Euler's phi theorem. So it tells you that a to the power phi b, you may write it in your copy if you don't know. A to the power phi b is congruent to 1 mod b if and only if the GCD of a and b is 1, right? Yeah. So this theorem, for example, I am giving an example. See, listen to me very carefully. I am giving an example. See, if I ask you 2 to the power how much, let it be x, is congruent to 1 mod 5. 2 to the power how much is congruent to 1 mod 5. Can anyone tell me what is the value of x? Can anyone tell me the value of x? 2 to the power x is congruent to 1 mod 5. So what is the value of x? Kindly tell me. Kindly tell me. Tell me in the chat, please. So Krishna, yes, you are right, 2 to the power 4. Harith, you are right, 2 to the power 4. Others also answer please, so that I can know that everyone is attentive here. Please answer what is the value of x. So 4 is the answer. Now you told me that 2 to the power 4 is congruent to 1 mod 5 because phi of 5 is 4. The phi function of 5 is 4, right? But listen to me, see here, but is 2 to the power 4 the least value of x? I mean, see, what is the least value of x? What is the least value of x such that 2 to the power x is congruent to 1 mod 5? What is the least value of x such that 2 to the power x is congruent to 1 mod 5? Tell me in the chat. What is the least value of x such that 2 to the power x is congruent to 1 mod 5? See here, yeah, obviously it is 4. Now this means we can represent it by this thing. This means that, okay, please wait. Yeah. So this means that the order, we write this as this form. See, you may read it from here because it will be much more clear from the text only. If I tell, it would not be that much clear. See, it tells you that if a to the power n is congruent to 1 mod m, and let d be the smallest such n, like I told, what is the smallest such x, such that 2 to the power x is congruent to 1 mod 5. It tells you what is the smallest such n, such that a to the power n is congruent to 1 mod m. And it tells you that the smallest such n is nothing but n equal to d. N equal to d is the smallest such n, such that a to the power n is congruent to 1 mod m. It tells you. Then we said d is the order of a modulo m. D is the order of a modulo m. This is represented by order of a. Order of a. For example, I am telling you, see this. For example, I am telling you, see 2 to the power 4 is congruent to 1 mod 5. This means order of 2 is equal to 4 modulo 5. Modulo 5. Write the full form, not mod. Write modulo 5. I am writing modulo. Okay, I am writing the full form. Modulo 5. Like this. So I will allow now to unmute. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. All of you are allowed to unmute now. Please ask your doubts if you have any. If there is no doubt, you can write in chat that no. Respond to everything because I want interaction in the class. Okay, so no doubt. Yes, actually you can imply it, Harit. You can imply this in some problems. I will show you a problem. The next example is the problem only. Okay. Swapnil, I have started order of an element and it is being recorded. So you may see in YouTube lecture also the recorded part, the order of an element, and you may also see the recording of which will be given in the group. Yes, Euler phi function is actually relating to the order, but not always. Like I will show you an example. Not always it is holding. Better I will give you that for thinking purpose. Okay, so I don't think any more doubt is there. So let me start another thing, but before that I will give you a short problem. So wait, try this problem I am giving here. Try the problem I am giving here. Try the problem that is given here. Prove that the order of 2 modulo 101 is 100. Prove this thing. Prove that the order of 2 modulo 101 is 100. That means you actually have to prove that the least power of 2 in modulo 101 such that it is congruent to 1 mod 101 is nothing but 100. How can you prove that? Try to prove that. I am giving you 2 minutes. Those who will see in YouTube, please pause the video here if you need more time, but I will be giving 2 minutes here. So I got one answer for Bhanam. So since 101 is a prime, then 2 to the power 100 is equal to 1 mod 101. But see, you are actually writing the Euler's phi function structure here, but I don't want that. I want the proof. I want the proof that, no, not Fermat's little theorem. I want the proof that it is the order of 2 modulo 101 is 100. No, not like that. There is a proof. If you write in RMO like this thing, you will get a 0 out of the 17 marks. Of course, this is not a RMO level problem. This is a very easy problem. But still I am relating. This is not a one line question. You may give the answers in the chat, or I am allowing to speak. You may also speak. Yeah, speaking is allowed. So you may also speak and tell me the answer. In the book that I have actually written in this part, the FPF and GF part, you will automatically understand how to approach. Or else I will take a class on that tomorrow. I mean, in tomorrow's class, I will show how to do that. So for now, please try this problem. Don't think about others thing now. So okay, now let me show you how to actually approach this type of problems. Now see, you have to prove that the order of 2 modulo 101 is 100. So how to do that? So basically the first thing you can actually do is, first thing, Vanam, you told the first step. Yes, it is obvious, but you have to prove it. Something, whenever you are getting something obvious, everything which is given to be proved is obvious. Of course it is obvious. That is why it is provable. Right? So you cannot just tell that actually this is obvious, so this may happen, this must happen. These are not actually the statements for mathematics. For mathematics, you have to do what? You have to show the correct reason for why is it actually correct. So how to do that? See, first of all, the very first step, you would actually show that yes, 2 to the power 100 is actually congruent to 1 mod 101. How would you show that? By Euler's phi theorem, right? Write in chat yes or no, or tell me. If you are having any problem, then you can unmute, and if you are agreeing to my statement, then write in chat yes. If you agree to my statement, then write in chat yes. Yeah. So now, yeah. So 2 to the power 100 is congruent to 1 mod 101. I am not writing the mod part. Now see, I have to prove that 100 is the least value such that 2 to the power 100, 2 to the power, the number is congruent to 1 mod 101. So I have to prove that the order of 2 modulo 101 is 100. So how to do that? So see, you can write 100. So it is actually being difficult for me to write here. So you can write 100 as, prime factorize it. How can you prime factorize? 2 square into 5 square, right? 2 into 5 whole square. 2 square into 5 square. Correct? Am I correct? Hello?
Yes.
Now the step to be proven. Note this step. Whenever you need to prove something like this, you have to apply this step. What is the step? Divide 100. Divide the number. Divide the number in the left hand side. You are prime factorizing by its prime factors. So 100 by 2 is, 50. I am writing it directly, 50, 100 by 2, and 100 by 5 is nothing but 20. Now see, if I can prove that 2 to the power 20 and 2 to the power 50 is not congruent to 1 mod 101, not congruent to 1 mod 101, then I am done with my proof to show that 100 is the least possible value such that 2 to the power 100 is congruent to 1 mod 101. You can easily show that 2 to the power 50, 2 to the power 50 and 2 to the power 20 is not congruent to 1 mod 101. How can you show that? That is your task. I am giving you as a task. How can you show that? You can do this as a task, or you can, if you are watching in YouTube, then you can pause the video, think it, and you have to do this as a task. I am telling. So it's not congruent to 1 mod 101. You prove it and you are done. So this may take 4 lines, not 1 line that you are obvious, right? Don't write like this thing, because actually everything is obvious here. So this is the proof. If I had given 2 to the power 200, then I would have prime factorized 200 and divide 200 by its prime factors, and I would show that the 2 to the power, the prime factor, the quotient when we obtained by dividing 200 by its prime factors is not congruent to 1 mod 101, and we will be done. So this is the process to prove this type of statements. So actually problems come from this type of statements with a bit trick, and in the problem section that I have prepared here, I am showing you the problem section of this book. See, here you will have level 1, level 2, level 3 problems. Here you will find some questions of this order. So I am telling you something here from, see, exercise 1 is a pre-RMO level problem. So here it consists of 70 problems. Which part, legendary, please tell, which part shall I show again? Tell me which part shall I actually show again? Previous question. Okay, from which part did you not actually got the part? From which part? Is it the whole question? Okay, you want to note the solution. Okay, I will show you the solution. Before that, I am showing you. So part 1 is PRMO level problems. It consists of 70 problems. Level 2 is RMO. It actually consists of 30 problems. And exercise 3 is at some advanced level problems. It is only 15 problems. So you may skip the advanced part as it is written here if you are a beginner. So this is the thing. So let me show you the solution for that question as one wanted. Yeah. So here is the solution for this question. Note it down, legendary. Note it down. This is the solution for this question. I am giving you 1 minute, and for those who will see in YouTube, you may pause the video. Now in the meanwhile, when he is noting, let me introduce a property. See, the order of any number a in modulo m always divides. That means a factor of phi of m, Note this property also. This is very important. Now let us start another topic. So in this, I think in this first video, actually we covered only order of an element. And in the next video, that means I will end the meeting now, and in the next part please join again in the same link. In the next part I will start p-adic evaluation and extended legendaries theorem. I mean, not legendary, that is not the person who is here, but it is known as legendaries or legendary theorem. So join in the same meeting link once again. So thank you for watching this, and please again join here.